A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. The big blue sky with clouds and wind raised up the excitement for people to work passionately. Wind pulled clouds to cover sunshine, brought rainfall and to be more profitable. At night, golden moon and sparkling stars appeared in the sky. It was a magnificent scene of nature. One day, God called for clouds, wind, moon, and stars to award them. Clouds, wind, and moon have done very well to help mankind. Therefore, you all have my compliment. And a new outfit, said the god. They were very much delighted to be complimented and awarded. All of them thanked the god gratefully and then asked to leave, because stars were so small. They were overlapped by the clouds, wind, and moon. Therefore, God forgot to award stars. Stars were so sad that they flew home and cried. When the god did not appreciate stars' work, they became disappointed. Stars went to bed very early every night. People were familiar with looking at the stars to predict the weather for the new day. However, they had not seen stars anywhere for almost a month. The news came to God. He became very furious and called for stars. The god said, "Stars, why are you so irresponsible?" The stars replied, "Oh, God! You praised and awarded everyone, but we didn't get anything. I thought my work was useless, and I stopped doing it. Oh, I forgot. Everyone is equally important. I'm sorry for forgetting you. So, now I'll award you a new outfit," said the god. The stars became happy and said, "Are you serious? We're important, too. I'm awarded too." To this, God nodded. Stars were so happy that they ran around and showed off their gift to everyone. From that day, stars always fulfilled their duty. Every night, stars worked hard to light up the whole sky, except for rainy nights. Stars are always happy and proud because they know how important they are. Moral: in life, no matter what job you are assigned, you should always try to finish it.